Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited because my spring Fab Fit Fun box just arrived and we're gonna do a little unboxing. I have been really enjoying Fab Fit Fun. It's by far my favorite package to get in the mail, and by the time it arrives, I completely forget the items that I selected. So opening it every quarter is a complete surprise to me, and it's just the best little treat. So without further ado, let's open it up. This month's box feels pretty light. I really don't remember what's in it. But Fab Fit Fun boxes are always filled with products from our favorite brands, beauty, fashion, lifestyle, a little bit of everything. Can we just admire the spring colors for a moment? The sun finally came out this week. It has been so dark and dreary in Connecticut, and now that the sun is out, it's feeling like spring is on the way. We're just waiting for the temperatures to catch up. But this is giving me all the spring vibes, and I am so excited about it. Spring flings and very nice things. All right, here we go. Spring 2024. I can't even believe spring 2024 is like basically here. I'm so excited. First things first, Living Proof Dry Shampoo. Now, when I was looking at this category, there were so many items I wanted to select, but this is hands down. Do you hear Cameron in the back crying? It's okay, babe. Anytime I see the Living Proof Dry Shampoo, I just have to get it because it's my all-time favorite. It works so well. It really does give you the perfect hair day. It's just the best dry shampoo, hands down. So happy that this is in the box. Next, we have the Tula Skincare 24/7 Moisture Intense Ultra Hydrating Day and Night Cream. So I'm currently using a day and night cream that I'm really enjoying, but I know it's gonna run out soon, and I've heard fabulous things about the Tula Day and Night Cream. So I thought that I would give it a try. I'm currently 2 months postpartum, and I'm just not trying to will it, but I'm just preparing myself for that postpartum hair loss, maybe some skin issues, just everything balancing back out. So I want to make sure that I have some products on hand that can help me feel a little more confident and not as bummed out about that whole situation. So anyway, really excited to tap into this. Oh my gosh, I forgot about this. I was debating this and another product in this category, but this is the Robe Curls. Now, this is one of those crazy like rope things that you put around your hair at night, go to sleep, and then wake up with curls. And I've tried sock curls before, didn't work too well, but I've heard really great things about this. So totally trying this out. I'll probably film a video with it as well because why not? So excited. And I love how the way that you wear this makes it a little more normal looking. It's not as crazy of a look as some of the other overnight curl methods that people use. All right, next up is this really cute little basket. Now this is kind of random, and I think I just selected it because now with a baby in the house, we have like baby things everywhere, and I am just looking for additional storage at all times. So I thought this might be cute to leave on our coffee table so we could just kind of throw his passies in here, some of his burp cloths, his hairbrush, the things that we leave out all the time. I am just obsessed with little storage items like this. Also, this basket matches his nursery. We have a ton of baskets very similar to this, so maybe it'll end up in there. Either way, really excited about this. I love that this box comes with items for me, for my family, things that I can use around the home. Oh my God, totally forgot about this, and I'm so glad that I think it's the last. No, it's not the last item. I'll save it for last. Let me do the second to last one. This is the Cloud Air Light Volumizing Mousse Sugarcane Extract for natural volume, texture, and shine. Again, trying to find all the products to help my hair postpartum and just to help my hair in general. My hair has been going through it, but I love using a mousse. It usually gives me really great volume, and the one that I'm currently using is almost out, so this is gonna be so much fun to tap into. Also, as I look at the ingredients on the back, I see a little sweet almond seed extract, which, you know, I'm a big sweet almond girl. Last but certainly not least, I am so excited about this. I haven't gotten a new bag in forever, like a new handbag. And when I saw this on the spring order sheet, I was like immediately sold. This is the cutest little handbag. This is a Melly Bianco bag, and it is just absolutely perfect. It's such a great size. It's such a beautiful color. Oh, I love her so much. Oh my gosh. I love these bags. I have seen these everywhere. I absolutely love it. I cannot wait to use it. I think I need to plan a date night immediately. It is just the cutest knotted handbag, gold zipper detail, little zipper pocket inside. It's a great size. It'll definitely fit a small wallet, my phone, lip gloss, car keys, just the essentials, and it's gonna be so perfect for spring and beyond. I cannot wait to use that. So that is it for my Fab Fit Fun Spring 2024 box. Again, I am so happy with my choices this month. I cannot wait to try out the new products and use some of the old favorites. I do still have an active coupon code with Fab Fit Fun. You can use Amanda Bella at checkout for a seasonal subscription. And if you're interested in an annual subscription, you can use the promo code AmandaBellaGift and you'll get a free gift with your purchase. This is such a great subscription service to utilize yourself, but also to gift to a family member or a friend. It's just the gift that keeps on giving. And it's fun, it's interactive. They can pick some of the items they want to try. They can choose to be surprised. It's just an excellent way to test out new products and get your hands on some really fabulous items that you may have otherwise never have thought to get for yourself. I've been introduced to so many fabulous brands through Fab Fit Fun, and I just love this company so much. So again, you can use the promo AmandaBella at checkout for a seasonal subscription, or use AmandaBellaGift for an annual subscription and a free gift at checkout. That is it for this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.